I got home at 7:30
Yeah.
from a day of mountain biking, which was great, to find that we have no heat, no hot water. So after a bunch of troubleshooting, I've found the problem. This is the controller for the oil burner. I've pulled it out of its case, and this wire right here has come disconnected from the terminal right there. And at first I was able to push on this board with a screwdriver and kind of, I guess, flex it enough to make contact, but as soon as I let go, it would shut off, and then I couldn't get it to work again. But this is the problem. So ideally, ideally I would try to solder that connection back together, but I don't have I don't have any soldering iron here at home. I have everything I need at work, of course. So I'm going to attempt to use a torch to heat this little baby screwdriver, and then use that screwdriver to melt solder into where it needs to go here. Hopefully.
So now I get to ask a lot of questions about what you're doing. What is that?
Flux. There's some flux in there to help the solder flow.
What is flux?
Help solder flow.
What is that? I guess, I know flux from it being included in glazes on pottery. I think it also makes the glaze flow. Don't know why.
We have this like little torch. Maybe I'll try it first.
Just with the torch.
I don't know if it's going to get warm enough. There it goes. This is going to be really tricky. I don't want to get the board hot. If I can get the solder liquid enough. Yeah, this thing, it's a piece of junk.
Does it usually work that the solder like drips off?
No.
Is that, you like get it hot and then you touch it?
But this thing doesn't work anymore. So we'll try a bigger torch.
This is what we used to use to start our fire. I keep watching.
I need like 6 hands. I'm not sure how to do all this.
Can I help instead of filming?
The goal is to not burn anything down, like the kitchen or this control board. Okay, that would have worked, but the flux is gone.
Because it melted off earlier?
I already burned it off once.
Oh, well, let's remember exactly what you just did.
Let's redo that. I gotta go quick.
So you're still not using the screw, you're just going straight after the...
Yeah. I just lost my, I lost my My solder dripped not where I wanted it.
Well, Formica can handle it, seems like.
And now I have solder on here. We'll get that off. And I wonder
You can place that.
if I could get a
and heat it.
little drip. Need some pliers to cut this, but maybe I can put some on there and then heat it with this. I don't know. No, it doesn't want to flow in there because this isn't hot. I don't know how to do this without a soldering iron. Let me try this.
So now you have a little dollop.
Yeah,
and you're gonna
I'm gonna get my
heat your
screwdriver
screwdriver.
red hot, probably.
Ooh.
That's not working either.
All right, so teensy little piece. Flux.
This just doesn't hold enough heat.
Yeah, it cools immediately, huh?
What if I do this? Can I heat this? I think it'll be perfect. Okay, that would have worked, but I just knocked it out. It didn't flow to the right place.
Is it right that the next connection is like ½ an inch away?
No, it's like 1 millimeter away. I don't want to. If I bridge that, then we're done. But it's just not flowing into that. Let me get my multimeter and see if it's made a connection.
Oh, okay. So explain what you're doing.
I'm going to check the continuity from the back side where the solder is on the board to over here, and if it's connected, then good enough. Yep. Let's try it. Certainly not factory or good, but maybe it'll get us through the night.
Okay.
Of course, I'm gonna have to bend this to get it to fit into the thing, so we'll see.
This is what Devin looks like. You're sitting on the basement floor fixing this for a while. Alright, so you said it snapped when you got it to the right angle,
Yeah,
but now you have the angle, so you're going to try again.
right. Man, I wish I could just get a blob of solder just to sit on there. Even if it just sat, it's probably good enough. I'm gonna try this one more time. This is such a big blob. I want it to be like there. Ooh. It's just, this isn't hot, and so it's never gonna go in. And nothing is working. You know, so far no solder has been in there. Maybe I can try to just super glue it. Let me check if it, oh, my thing's downstairs again. But maybe if I can just super glue it in place. Now I can't even get in there.
You're just trying to remove everything now?
Yeah.
Because now your thinking is, was that a connection? Like the sound we were hearing?
Yeah.
It's still in the right spot?
It's jammed in there. So I'm gonna put a dab of super glue on it.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, we'll give that some minutes to dry.
And the angle is still right?
Pretty close, yeah. Well, it's working. I don't know how long it'll work for, but this is the important part, that it's giving us heat. I'll probably just buy a new one of these and replace it. They're like $60. It's not bad. Because I don't trust that this is gonna work for a long time, but as a quick fix, I think that was pretty good.